Ex-UAV Mini Talon build summary. So decided to go Eagle Tree Vector, 2.4 gig video and easy UHF control. We've got a Tiger 2216 900 kV motor at the back, swinging currently 9x7 Zor prop. Might change that to a 10x6. I've only just glued the servos in, so the control surfaces haven't been centered or anything else. Hobby Wing 40 amp multi-rotor ESC on there. The reason for that is because they don't have the low voltage cutoff. We've got a Sony Superhad 2 CCD camera on the front. Slightly modified the front pod. I will be putting a Mobius camera right there, such that it doesn't obstruct the main view. And you can see there that the VTX is mounted underneath the canopy on the fuselage. It's held in with Velcro and also a small Velcro tie as well. So if we go inside the fuselage, you will note that I've put 3 small carbon ribs there just to protect the foam top, as it is quite fragile. So there you can see how I've mounted the easy UHF in the top with a toroid filter. It is quite tight inside, so I've decided to go with lots of toroids to filter out any RFI and EMI as well. Due to the long cable runs on the ESC, I've put a small capacitor bank there, which consists of 3 low ESR 470 microfarad capacitors in parallel. And there you can see the Eagle Tree Vector with the GPS mounted on top, and we've got another toroid there as well. You can see, you can't see it very well. Can you see it here? There is a Castle Creations 10 amp UBEC there as well. Again, another toroid. That is the power for the servos, which goes into the easy UHF. So currently we don't, this is, you might be asking what this is. That's the audio wire going to the VTX when I finally put the microphone in and set up the audio. And so you'll see we've got another toroid there going from the GPS to the Vector. There is a lot of wires here, so try and keep the RFI as minimal as possible, so plenty of filtering in there. This is the, let's see, that's the VTX, that's the video feed. So again, we've got another toroid there. Trying to keep the cables out of the way as much as possible, and you'll see there we've got another toroid. You might think that I'm being a little bit anal, but what the hell. And that is going to the camera, so that's going to be filtering out any noise that might come from any cameras, any FPV cameras I might put up front. There is a possibility I'll be going with the Sony FEOV 960H 800 TV line, and as if you read any of the forums, you'll know that that is a little bit noisy on the UHF band, so I'll put a filter in there just in case. What the hell, they only cost pence, so that's the way it goes. We've got Velcro all the way down the fuselage length. We'll be running with, and sorry, we've got one last one, a small toroid filter just there on the Eagle Tree Vector cables from the PSU. So we'll be running with 4S 3300 milliamp LiPos to start off with, eventually moving up to 4S 6600 milliamp LiPos. Just one final thing, using high-tech HX65, the HB carbonite gears throughout. I have found the Metal Gear servos to be slightly noisy, so I've decided to go with the carbonite gears in this one. So it balances out perfectly with a 4-cell 3300 in the nose, or moved back ever so slightly as well, so that's all great. Looking forward to the maiden, which should be hopefully this weekend, and there will be a review coming afterwards. So please do subscribe and ask any questions. Do have a read of the blog, So www.wrangler, that's RANGLER.co.uk. Thanks for watching, bye for now. Sorry about the poor video quality by the way, it's taken on my phone. Alright, happy flying, bye for now.